Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. We've gotten a few questions over the last few weeks about how we do bulk pricing or larger job pricing. Pretty much our concept on this from the very beginning has been, as long as it's the same scheme and the same colors in a project, for us it doesn't really matter that much as far as pricing goes, due to the fact that whether I'm doing the 2 takedown pins on an AR or an entire AR, the compressor's turned on once, acetone's poured in once, the oven's on once. So for me, it's the scope of the individual project doesn't affect it as much as if they want 20 different tumblers in different schemes. Those would be bid all as individual projects because there's no common parts to them, I guess. We tend to have a base price for our projects and then go up by color after that, more because of buying coating, using a little extra acetone, things like that. However, with big projects, we tend to give more of a discount because it's one big project, but it's all common. All the steps are going to be the same, and we're able to offer a little bit of money off of that because of those facts that it's going to be basically easier and cheaper for us in the long run, and why not pass that on to the customer. We actually have a project that we're working on today that'll be kind of an example of what we're talking about. Again, if I was to do 20 individual cups, I'd have to bid those differently because they're individual projects. However, what we have is a project for 20 cups, but they're all going to be exactly the same. So for us, that makes it a whole lot easier, and it streamlines everything time-wise and materials, that we can offer a discount on that. We're going to leave the camera running, little odds and ends parts of this project to just kind of add something to this video since it's so short. So you can stay tuned at the end for some pictures of the final projects. And that's about it. If you've got any questions, leave them for me down in the comments. I try to answer every single comment that we get on our videos, or you can call me or email me. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a great day.